Can LLC owners be on payroll? Yes, LLC owners can be on payroll, but it depends on how the LLC is taxed. In a default single member or multi-member LLC, owners are considered self-employed and usually take owner's draws instead of paychecks. However, if the LLC elects to be taxed as an S-corporation or C-corporation, owners who actively work in the business can be treated as employees and paid through payroll. For example, if your LLC is taxed as an S-corp, you can pay yourself a reasonable salary through payroll, which is subject to payroll taxes, while taking additional profits as distributions that are not subject to self-employment tax. This setup can reduce overall tax liability if managed correctly. The key is compliance. Owners must follow IRS rules for reasonable compensation and ensure proper payroll systems are in place. Choosing the right structure depends on your business income and tax strategy. Zen Business can help you set up your LLC and choose the right tax election so you're paid properly. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. The link is in the description too.